Welcome to Learn with Amine. In this video, let's look at how to submit a claim for an international medical bill to Anthem Health Insurance. This is the dashboard. We have My Plans. We have Claims and Payment. Click on Claims, and you're viewing claims for the last 24 months. Okay. Claim Submission Center. Click on Medical, Get Started. Submit a claim for out of network expenses. So, out of network expenses also include the international doctors. So, click on Get Started. I want to submit a medical claim for doctor or other medical specialist. Click on Next. You can only submit one claim at a time. Select a patient. Click on the patient's name. Click on Submit a Claim. If the claim was for a service performed outside the United States or on a cruise ship given to you, then please go to Blue Cross Blue Shield site to submit. If you don't have Blue Cross Blue Shield global account, please register first. Okay, so we need to go to Blue Cross Blue Shield website. Click on login. I have logged into the BCBS Global Care. So this is actually the international coverage or the worldwide coverage partner of Anthem Insurance. So the current plan that I have is called as Anthem Platinum PPO plan. Okay. So let me submit a new claim using the online visit. Get started. So here it said something about outside of the US and Puerto Rico, US Virgin Islands. Click on Get Started. Before we get started filing, we need to determine some. Is this a claim for services received outside the US? Yes. Received at a base camp? No. On a cruise ship? No. Click on Next. Then it's asking the e-claim name. Okay. Consultation. Mamta Hospital. Okay. First name. What is the name of the patient? So I need to enter the name of the patient. So I'm just opening the bill right now. So I'm going to enter the first name and the last name of the patient, the email address, the date of birth, relationship to the subscriber, and the subscriber information. And then I need to click on next. Okay. So let's do that. I'm gonna pause the video recording right. The next question is the patient covered under other health insurance including Medicare A or B? So answer is no. Click on next. Describe illness, injury or symptoms during treatment. Entered basic details of the illness, injury or symptoms during the treatment, and then the onset information was this, and then click on next. And then what is the charge number? So the charge number is charge 1, and we need to provide the name of the provider and then the address of the provider and the description of service and the start date of service, charge amount, and this is the currency, and then you need to attach the bill name and then click on save charged. I have entered the information of the provider and then need to provide the information of the service. Consultation. Start date of service was 20. And what was the charge amount? The currency was INR, and the date this amount was paid was 20. And then attach one or more itemized bill come receipt. Okay, and then I need to attach the bill as a PDF or a PNG or a JPG file. So the acceptable file formats are given, just that the maximum file size is 100 MB. You need to go over here, then attach this information, click on save charge. Now this has, for the total charges, please complete the provider information, type of service, and attached multiple charges may be submitted. So there was only one charge, so I have just added one charge, and then click on continue or next. Pay. Please select one of the following payment options. Make payment to the subscriber provider has been paid. So we need to click on this option, and where do you want, please select your preference for how to receive your payment. So I'm not sure if we can give the bank account information where the service took place, or um, I definitely know that we can give the bank account information of United States where this insurance is subscribed to or has been taken from. Once that is done, it is asking you to certify the information. I certify the information that I have provided. Then you need to provide the signature of the subscriber or the patient. So basically you need to add your name over here and click on complete. Once that is done, the e-claim has been successfully submitted. For the status and payment information related to a claim, please contact the local Blue Cross and Blue Shield company. Under claims, I do not see where I can check the status of the claim information online. What you can do is you can call BCBS Global Core Team, or you can call the number that is present on the back of your card. There is an international number. You can call there and you can ask for the claim status information. The reference number or the claim number that has been given to you after your submission, that is acting as the reference number for when you call. So I have given the bank account information of United States bank account. So once the claim is processed, you will receive your payment to that specific account. Let's look at what you receive after you have submitted your claim to the Blue Cross Blue Shield Global Core team. So after you have submitted a claim online, following the process that I have mentioned in the video, you are going to receive a confirmation email, and the confirmation email looks like this. The email comes from the customer service at bcbsglobalk.com. It is with the subject of Blue Cross Blue Shield Global Core e-claim submission. So as you can see, the email was received on July 21. So after watching this, you will also know how much time they take in order to process a claim that is submitted in the international level. So if you have got treatment or if you have consulted a doctor in international clinics outside of the US, once you have submitted your claim, you are going to receive this email confirmation that thank you for submitting your claim. Now, after how many days do you receive their payment is, uh, let's look at the payment. So usually it takes about 30 days in average, but here you can see that it took 32 days in order to receive the payment within the bank account, and the bank account details need to be added on the website that I have shown where to submit the claims. In the same website, in the same portal, you are also going to provide your savings account or the check-in account detail. It's better to give check-in accounts if you want to receive the payment as soon as possible. And this comes from blue push T, and then there are some numbers that are pertaining to your own claim. And this is the payment, around $23 was received. This was the exact amount that was paid for the consultation to an international doctor, and same amount was received in US dollars. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.